Hello children. So yesterday we had started chapter 9 rounding numbers. So in that one we have learned examples and how to round the numbers nearest to 10 or 100. Now in today's class we will learn how to round the numbers nearest to 1000 and 10,000, right? The rule is same, the only the difference is of the places. So the first rule is saying that you have to be remember these two rules whenever you are solving the questions of rounding numbers. We always round by following these two steps. So when you are rounding, so when we round a given number to the required place, we consider the digit just right to the required place. We always see the rightmost digit which is next to the required place. If that digit will be 5 or more than 5, so that digit will increased by 1. It means if it is more than 5 or 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so then the required place digit will increased by 1. The place which you are rounding, that will be increased by 1. The other digits will on the right side will become zeros. And the second rule is saying that if considered digit is less than 5, now the if we will consider the digit right to the required place, that digit is less than 5. Suppose that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that digit at the required place remains the same, and the other digits on the right side become 0. So let's see how these two steps are working. So the first question is that you have to round the numbers nearest to 1000. You have to see the thousands place. You are rounding the thousands place. So here we have a 4-digit number, that is 3578. So in this, that one 3 is on the thousands place. 3 is on thousands place. So we'll see the digit 3 only. But we have to consider the right digit next to the required place. So we'll see the digit 5. And you know that 5 is, if the number is greater than 5 or 5, so thousands place digit will increase by 1. Now the digit is 5. Now it is a strong number, and so the thousands place digit will increase by 1, and the rest of the digits will become 0. So thousands place will increase by 1, that is 3 will become 4, and the rest of the digits will become zeros. So we'll write 3 zeros. Now let's solve the next question. Now we can see that the second part is 10342, and we have to round the nearest to thousands. So we know that this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundred place, and this is thousands place. So children, once you are getting the enough practice of doing these questions, then no need to write the places above the digits. So 0 is on the thousands place, but we have to see the digit right of the thousands place. It is 3, and 3 is less than 5. So it means that if the number is less than 5, that number will remain same. So firstly, 2 will replace with 0, but the right side digit of the required place will become zeros. So it means that these three digits will become 0. So 4 will replace with 0, and 3 also will replace with 0. 1000 place digit we have to see, because we are rounding this place digit only. So here the 3 is less than 5, so it will remain same. So I'm going to write 0, one more 0, and 1 we will write as it is. Now let's move to the next question. 5982. Now 5 is on the thousands place, and we have to see the digit next to the 5, and 9 is greater than 5. If the number is greater than 5, then the thousand plate digit will become 6, and the rest of the digits will become 0. So we have to write 5 will become 6, and the rest of the digits will become zeros. Next part is 9173. In that one, 9 is at the thousands place. Now children, we have to see the next digit to the required place, that is 1, and 1 is less than 5. So 9 will remain same, and the rest of the digits will become 0. So we will write 9, as it is, and the rest of the digits will become 0. So what we are doing in the rounding numbers, nothing we are doing, we are just making the calculation easy, just reducing the numbers, but we are not changing its value. Its value will be the same, almost same. Now the next question is, round off the numbers nearest to 10,000. Now earlier we have rounded the thousand space, now we will round 10,000 space. So how to round it? We know that whatever the number is given to you, we have to write the places above the digits. So this will be ones, tens, hundred, thousands, and this will be 10,000. Now 4 is on the 10,000 place. We have to see the digit next to the 4, and it is 6. So 6 is greater than 5. So what will, so the 10,000 place will become 5, and the rest of the digits will become 0. So we will write 5, then 6, 5, 2, 8 will replace with 4 zeros. 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4 zeros. This will become 50,000. Okay, the next number is 63940, and again we have to write the places. So we know that 6 is on the 10,000 place. This would be on 10,000 place. So we have to see the digit right to the number 6, and it is 3, and 3 is less than 5. So the number 6 will remain same because it is less than, the number 3 is less than 5. So we'll write 6, and the rest of the digits will remain 0, will become 0. So we have to write again 4 zeros, then it will be 60,000. Let's solve the next problem. 20082. Now again we'll write the places. Then 2 is on the 10,000 place. Now we have to round the number, but we have to see the digit next to the 10,000 place. It is 0, and 0 is less than 5. So 10,000 digit will remain same, and the rest of the digits will become 0. So we have to just write the 4. For these 4 digits, we have to write 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. It would be 20,000. So the next is 99183. Now we'll write the places above the digits. This will be 10,000. 9 will be at the 10,000 space. So we have to see the digit next to the 9. It is 9 only. Now 9 is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 in 9. So it will become 10, and the rest of the digits will become 0. So this will become 10. 9 plus 1, because you are increasing the digit 9 by 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10, and the rest of the numbers will become 0. 9183 will replace with 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will become 1 lakh. So children, in this way you have to do the questions. But children, you have to divide the page into 2 parts so that all the questions will come on 1 page. Okay. Thank you so much.